morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, I don't mind. In the UK we say we in the afternoon now, but could I say good afternoon to everyone. It's today, we're fifth I don't know, for poem now, for Bonfire now. 5th November. It's 5th of November today. It's now, what time is it now? 2:35. It's Bonfire night today. There will be some fireworks displays around Sheffield where I live. It's amazing. Fireworks to pay tribute to what happened to Westminster. Remember when, I don't know. Yeah, everyone do remember when Guy Fawkes tried to explode Westminster? I meant not Westminster, but Big Ben with gunpowder. I remember that, but that's why I remember when paying tribute to, with that event, what happened, and that's why it's Bonfire night. But me and Matt. So what my plans are, we're not staying in house. Where we gonna go? Not me, but me and my brother. I don't know if I'm gonna let you guys to see him on my video, but I'm gonna ask him. So we are going to Winkerbank Hillthorpe. You can see whole Don Valley, Meadowhall, Attercliffe, Darnall and Don Valley side. And what we normally do, we don't live far from Fir Park, Flower Estate and Winkerbank. I'll show you the views and that. So yeah. That's what I'm gonna do with your vlog. I know I'm wearing the same t-shirt, but it's too late. Fuck yeah. So I'm not gonna, you might guys gonna see my brother on my video, but I'm not gonna ask him very shortly, I don't know. But I'm not gonna ask him right now. I am back, everyone. I told my brother, and he will be appearing on today's Bonfire night vlog. He's gonna say hello to you guys. He will introduce to you guys. I don't want you guys to say nasty things to him. But if you do, I'm gonna tell you guys off straight off from Discord, alright? My brother, he is let me describe to him. Some people think that me and my brother, Daryl Haig, you might see him on Discord, nearly everyone in Sheffield thinks me and Daryl are twins, but we're not. I used to have a twin brother in one time, and my mother, she had a miscarriage with my twin. And oh my god, I miss him. So everyone thinks me and Daryl are twins, my brother. So yeah. He was born the same year. I born in 1995. He born in 1995. But we say it's different days. Mine 4th of January, his the 10th of November. His birthday tomorrow, not tomorrow. This week, I think, yep. And me and Dora get along each other. We sometimes, like, boom, 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 hitting each other and like fighting each other. But, end of the day, I love him to bits. Even my other brother as well. I love my brothers, my sister, and my cousins, and I love all my family and friends, even your guys as well watching this, and what my videos as well. Appreciate it. But yeah. Sorry, I'm drinking this really nice Monster Energy drink. No, really nice drink. But that's what I'm gonna say. He will be appearing today's vlog. Yeah. His title will be called Bonfire Night and Meeting My Brother. That's what's today's title called. Alright. So I will be so what you guys want to know what time I need to really setting off. So fireworks is starting at Don Valley and rest of city as well. 7:30 I think, or 7 o'clock or 7:30, I don't know. But me and my brother Dower will be setting off here about 6:30. For fuck's sake. Sorry about that everyone, I had a phone call from my father about this toy. So I forgot what I was saying. I really do. But end of the day, right. I will. Yeah, that's it. Me and I will be setting off here about 6:30 before fireworks. And that's it. So now I will be playing this game called Farming Simulator 22. And on Saturday, it's exciting for you guys. It's a secret, but I told you guys on Discord already. You guys love that. It's only gonna be on gaming channel, gaming video, and it's this. But I'm sorry, I like to play these games and that. I really do. Crazy. Sorry about that, everyone. Yeah, sorry about that, everyone. I was showing this, so, yeah. I really can't wait for Bonfire Night tonight, really do. I hope you guys do as well. But also, you guys can't wait to meet and see my brother as well, to introduce to you as well. He is one of the most nice, good person, Dara. Even Marcus and my sister and that. So yeah, I would like to see you guys me walking on a bank. See you guys up there. Good evening everyone, it's Jonathan here. We're gonna walk towards Benhouse and toward onto Drinking Hill and find our destination, Winkham Bank, Hillfort. Yeah, all fireworks are setting off. You might not see them at background. No. Tell everyone hi.
Hi guys.
That's Dara. Yeah, I know he's not my twin brother, you ask me, but I used to have a twin brother, did I, Dara?
Yep.
Tell him what he's called.
He had a twin brother called Jacob.
And a mother had a miscarriage. But if he's still alive, we could be loved together. Not like our brothers do, everyone and that. But yeah, like I said, sorry mate, I fucking knackered me already. But oh gosh, fucking hell, it feel like being invaded by Russians, everyone, with nuclear bomb and other bombs and that.
There's some more back here.
Yeah. But yeah. So we will be climbing up some hills and down hills actually. Halloween gone. There's always pumpkin on gate lit up. But we are heading towards Lane Top after first. Then after Lane Top will be Benhouse Road. Then there's 2 destinations we have to go. Longest way round is towards Drinking Hill or just down Benhouse Road towards Flower Estate. Then on the other side of the road towards Drinking Hill. But stinks round here now with all fireworks this way. But we will be seeing fireworks across the Don Valley, everyone. So I hope you guys will like this vlog. See you guys in a bit. Hey everyone, I know you can't see me properly, but I'm on a little screen. There's some really nice, views, all across the Don Valley. It's just like a Hollywood. Like I said to Dara. Look at that. Guys, you might see fireworks behind me, but there will be loads and loads of fireworks in that area. Hey guys, and last time I took that other video off, but now you can see me. I just used my brother's torch. We enjoyed it up here, waiting for fireworks, but we had like a couple of fireworks comes off, and dirty bastard. But there's like music going off down valley. Let's see what time. It's now 6:55. Not yet. Maybe about 9 o'clock. Is it?
I think so.
Yeah, about 9 o'clock when fireworks setting off. But I can show you the view right now. There's no spotlight, but you can see some fireworks. And the wonderful view of Don Valley in Sheffield as well, with Meadow, even lights around across the city as well. But it's Manchester City down there. But yeah, I'll see you guys very shortly.
Get out of bed. Nah, those big sense don't think I like to. Yeah, I don't know why I keep.
From there, Dad.
This is amazing. It's a bat. If it's a bird bigger than bat. But there's different bats, Mum. Double. I'd love to go up here next year.
I'm a big 30th next year though.
Review of Sheffield. Literally half Sheffield. This is our autumn lights at Don Valley. Really nice. Jesus Christ, it's wow. that's it.
There should be one out here.
There's one for grand final into the. I am back home now, everyone. We had a great time with my family. Been watching fireworks display. Me and Dad were watching fireworks at Winterbank Hill Fort, but we had the phone call from my parents saying, "Oh, where you guys are," and they were actually down bottom where we were. We were at top, they were at bottom. But they were at Sandstorm Road, dead end. There's like more green bit where you can see some more area view of Bonfire. It's amazing with view. So I hope you guys enjoyed that view what I showed you. And same with fireworks as well. But also as well, there's like I will be doing like editing these videos, putting it together, put a title on for this vlog, in description as well. Then boom, upload it. Right. That will be up. I will be uploading it tomorrow afternoon after British Heart Foundation. Okay, but I will see you guys very shortly. Alright, it's that time now, everyone. Gonna go to bed. Got British Heart Foundation today. So that's why I'm tired. As you know, I am I am going to sleep right now. So I'll see you guys very soon, and I will be uploading this vlog tomorrow in the afternoon. Alright, and we'll be editing and put it all together. Alright, so I'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for having this. Bye.